Assalamualaikum. Okay, first kali kita dalam instruction, first kali dia ada cakap conduct an experiment at your home to determine the Reynolds number for part in different flow regimen, laminar and turbulent flow. So eksperimen yang kita akan buat ni berkenaan dengan eksperimen Reynolds number. Eksperimen Reynolds number ni dia kita predict flow behavior. Flow behavior ni laminar flow and turbulent flow. So bila nanti result kita dapat kita calculate Reynolds number, kita dapat low, dia indicate laminar flow, and bila kita dapat Reynolds number high tu indicate turbulent flow. So second, report must in the form of recorded video and lab report. So kita akan bahagi yang buat record video and lab report in 10 to 15 minutes. So dalam video tu kita ada 2 parts, yang eksperimen and discussion. So dalam video kita tu kita ada discussion part and eksperimen. So firstly, untuk eksperimen dengan planner, kita try to divide eksperimen dengan planner tu dua orang, analis seorang and report writer seorang. So untuk planner dengan eksperimen tu, Effie dengan Ainul boleh buat.
Boleh. Saya setuju.
Boleh, tak ada masalah. Boleh nak buat.
Kalau analis, siapa yang buat?
Aqilah.
Ni Afiqah boleh?
Aqilah.
Boleh. So report writer tu, lab report tu Nurin dengan Sumathi lah kan?
Okay, boleh. Setuju?
So Sumathi
Saya buat dari abstract hingga data tu.
so saya akan
Check
proceed
sampai
dengan
data.
result dengan conclusion. So untuk eksperimen dengan planner tu, korang dah tahu ke nak beli barang apa? Nak buat eksperimen macam mana?
Kita orang ingat ke nak pilih factor velocity of the fluid. So, if kita rasa kita kena beli clear part lah kan?
Kita orang nak beli clear tube pipe, lepas tu syringe, dye, lepas tu maybe ada few tambahan lagi barang tu, tapi kita orang tak senaraikan lagi lah. Lepas tu maybe kita orang akan start conduct eksperimen tu pun by dalam masa yang terdekat ni lah, kita akan start conduct dah eksperimen tu.
Yang terdekat.
So in general, factor yang kita nak buat ni, kita nak buat yang velocity lah kan?
Ya, velocity.
Yes, exactly.
Tu ada apa-apa lagi nak tambah?
Dapat.
Tak ada.
So maybe kita akan buat the next meeting pun untuk regarding pasal video pula macam mana.
Dari video and semua info-info yang dah after kita process of the ni lah, eksperimen kita ni.
Eksperimen tu, betul. Ada siapa-siapa lagi nak tambah?
Tak ada.
So tak ada yang nak tambah
Rasa tak ada dah.
Tak ada.
Okay.
Assalamualaikum and good day. My name is Anith Afiqah Izzatul with metric number TJ21073. I'll be simply briefing on the introduction. The flow of real fluid is divided into two types, which are laminar flow and turbulent flow. Laminar flow is a smooth, regular flow in layers. Such flow only exists at low velocities. The various particles in a layer describe straight line path, and it occurs when the calculated Reynolds number is less than 2000. On the other hand, in turbulent flow, the fluid particles flow in a zigzag way, and they only exist at high velocities. Turbulent flow in a pipe occurs when the Reynolds numbers calculation exceeds 4000. The Reynolds number of a flowing fluid is calculated by multiplying the fluid velocity by the internal pipe diameter in order to obtain the inertial force of the fluid, and then dividing the result by the kinematic viscosity. Next, the characteristic of the flowing fluid is influenced by the fluid density, fluid viscosity, diameter of a pipe, and fluid velocity. The objectives of this DIY project is to determine the Reynolds number of a pipe flow in different types of fluid.
Experimental procedure.
Hi, my name is Ainul Mardhiah with my ID number TJ21074. So we conduct the Reynolds number experiment by using different types of fluids. So we prepare 4 types of fluids, which are softener, detergent, oil, and also water. We use 200 milliliter for the volume of each fluid. So before starting the experiment, we need to set up the equipment like this. The pipe must be straight and vertical so fluids can flow smoothly. Then we need to put a bottle below the pipe so that the fluids can flow down and fill up the bottle. Next, we need to use a stopwatch to record the time taken for each fluid to flow down through the pipe and fill in the bottle.
After we finish setting up the equipment, we commence the experiment with the detergent. We put 200 milliliter of detergent to flow in the pipe. And then we start the stopwatch as soon as the fluid starts to flow in the tube. Next, our group proceed the experiment by using the softener. We also use the same amount of softener, which is 200 milliliter, to let it flow into the tube and record the time taken. Then we continue our experiment by using the cooking oil, which is the palm oil that always been used for domestic usage. And last but not least, we also use water as our fluid also in our DIY project.
In conclusion, the objective of the experiment has been achieved. Based on our data after conducting the experiment, the Reynolds number of water we obtained was higher than 4000. Therefore, water was concluded as turbulent flow. And for detergent, softener and oil, the Reynolds number did not exceed 2000s. Therefore, they were concluded as laminar flow. And that's all from us. Thank you for watching.